Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's up?
Pretty good, man. Nice to meet you, Sir Charles. What you got going on, man?
So in this back house,
We have
this drain line here. It's back where this house ties in. So I'm pretty sure every time they've got it fixed, it's in the floor drain inside this house.
Okay. All right. Say it again.
Floor drain in this house.
Okay.
In the basement.
Yeah. It's backing up.
It's backing up, and usually we've had this happen. This is like third time now.
Yeah.
Since we've lived here in 5 years. Right there where it ties in, because it ties in from our house is the main line. And then it just drops in there. I guess someone just tied that in at some point. So right there where it comes into our house is where it clogs up.
Okay. But everything okay in here.
This side's good.
So you guys flush and it comes on out.
Yep, we're good over here. It's just that floor drain in that house. It ties it. It has the laundry and the floor drain in the basement.
Is there an outside access for this portion of the line outside? Just in the basement?
Just the basement floor drain. That's
All right,
the only access.
But let's take a look and
Yeah. You. We can go double check, but I believe we got enough to.
You guys have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
That's
How
good.
about yourself?
I'm glad it's over, man.
Yeah. What's going on?
Not much.
Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you, sir?
Good.
That's good.
Alright, I love you. Besides for oil cats taking a shit. They don't cover up their shit.
Alright, so yep, it's this guy here. This floor drain, it just runs straight out. Goes out to that. Right down front of the house. And yep, I believe every time they said they've got it from this floor drain, and it is a, yeah, just right where it ties into that Y.
Here's the bathroom and stuff up here, right?
Yeah, that's all good. That's all draining out.
Yep. And so, yeah, so it's an older
It's
type of
somewhere
system.
in
Yeah.
before it drops in, because it drops.
So you guys only noticing it like when P does laundry.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
So my only concern is that it might be a little bit longer run than normal. Just because of the setup. Usually these floor drains, they tie into the 4-inch pipe on the inside of the basement.
Yeah.
Usually that floor drain don't go outside the foundation, but this one do.
That's what they say. I haven't looked at it myself, but they said it ran straight out there and tied into that line out there.
Yeah. So that's my only concern. My cable is about 50 feet. And so that's all the cable that I have.
Gotcha.
I
I want to say. I think that should do. I mean, I don't think it's quite that to where, because from there to right out to the front of the house, we're at like 30 something feet. And then outside of that, it's like another less than 10 to where I believe it ties into.
Yeah.
So.
It just, I always like to kind of look at things and share, my apprehensions before we get started, because this is, not a typical setup. And so that would be my only apprehension with this, is that floor drain is just going to be a little bit longer than normal, because normally they tie in on the inside of the basement. And so normally if we got to go longer than that, we talking like a main line, and we got, hundreds of feet of cable to shoot the main line. Opposed to this floor drain where we use like a 1/4-inch cable or 5/16.
All I know is your guys' company
is the
came
one
out twice.
Okay.
And got it done.
All right. Well,
I know you guys have got it done twice before.
Okay. Say less. Say less. We done it twice before, and we should be able to do it again,
I
right?
would hope so.
Yes, sir. So you are gonna be getting a discount today. They tell you how much it's gonna cost.
They did not.
And so it's normally $160, but with your repeat customer discount of $12.50, it'll be $147.50.
Perfect.
Cool, man.
That sounds good.
I'm gonna go grab my machine real quick, and I'll be right back.
Sounds good, man. I appreciate
Okay.
it.
No problem. What's up, dude? Yeah. You see that? That's sweet.
Is it sticky?
They see each
I thought
one
you had
of those
all
little
of it
circles.
done.
No, hell no.
Just covered it with that stuff.
No, that's all done before that.
We're gonna try with this cable, guys, and we got a friend here, little cat, trying to check us out, see what's going on. What's up, little kitty? What's up there, little kitty? We'll start off with the 3/8 cable, a little bit shorter. But we gotta get something longer than we can. I think they sent the cat down to watch me. Did they send you down here to watch me? I'm about to start this up, little kitty. You probably ain't gonna like this. Oh no, this is about 16. Cool. Mark this on out. Am I doing a good job, kitty? So we're gonna let this wash machine fill up a little bit, get a little bit of water on the ground, then we'll continue the cable. Impatient, so let's spin it out, see what we got. Looking pretty good already, so we'll stop this and we'll fill it back up. Continue the cable.
Cat down here bothering.
Nah, he watching me. Yeah, just make sure I'm doing a good job, man. For me, sir. And so I filled this wash machine all the way up, and I got it dumping out now.
Draining.
Seems to be.
Good stuff. Yeah, I think it's just like a bad connection out there, as the guy was saying last time. Whenever it ties in,
Yeah.
it just eventually gets clogged up.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing a pump and somehow tying it into
You
that other side of the drain.
You
just
could.
bypassing this.
You could. That is an option, to get an injection pump and just pump that water right on up there to that main line and
Yeah.
shoot right on out.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
And so I am gonna leave you 30 days on this, even though it's a little bit weird. And so if it happens in 30 days, then you'll be covered, okay?
Awesome.
Cool beans, man.
Good stuff, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, whose bike is that out there?
That is the guy that lives here.
Okay.
That kid upstairs. Yep. Girlfriend's brother.
There, we got past that spot right there. I feel a lot better about this. How long you been riding, man?
Me?
Yeah.
Like, not long, like 8 months.
8 months?
Yeah.
Well, it's a lot of fun, man. Be careful out there, man.
Yeah, first bike scared me.
You guys all back to normal, though.
Awesome, man.
Thank you.
they gonna send me an invoice or do you got something for me?
Yeah, I got something for you. So you can either pay with check, credit card, or cash. Okay, do me a favor. Just call that number real quick. The 429 number. Give me your credit card number, and I'm gonna give you a receipt. Okay? Cool.